In today's video, I am going to teach you how to rotate flip image in Wix. To get started, open your Wix site editor and go to the page where your image is placed. Once you are in the editor, find the image that you want to adjust. This can be any image element already added to your page. Click directly on that image to select it. When the image is selected, you will see a border appear around it, along with a few editing controls. After selecting the image, look closely at the top left corner of the image border. There you will find the circular rotate icon. This is the control Wix gives you to manually change the angle of the image right inside the editor. If you move your cursor over that icon, it will become clear that this is the tool used for rotation. Now click and hold on the rotate icon. While holding your mouse button down, drag your cursor in a circular motion. As you do this, the image will begin rotating in real time. This makes it easy to see exactly how the image will look before you let go. Move slowly so you have better control over the angle and can stop at the position that looks best for your design. If you only need a small adjustment, use short and careful movements. If you want a more dramatic rotation, continue dragging farther until the image reaches the angle you want. This gives you a quick way to create a more dynamic layout or make the image fit better with the rest of your page design. As you rotate the image, keep an eye on how it aligns with nearby text, shapes, or other elements on the page. A slight rotation can add style, but you still want the overall page to look clean and balanced. Once the image looks right, simply release your cursor to set the new position. That is the full process. Select the image, hover over the rotate icon in the top left corner, then click, hold, and drag in a circular motion to rotate it. If needed, you can always repeat the same action again until the angle looks exactly the way you want. That covers everything you need to know.